My lovely child, always remain open to something unexpected happening, like a sudden shift or a breakthrough. Loosen up about how things will happen for you because eventually everything will work out and most likely it will be way better than you expected. No mountain is too big, not ask is not achievable. You have to stop looking at just the end and thinking you will never get there. Break the journey down into smaller pieces, literally one step at a time. That is enough. Always keep your goals and inspiration to the front of your mindset. The universe loves a consistent mind and it makes it easier for us and the universe to help bring your dreams into reality. Set some time aside today for rest and relaxation. Self-care is so important but can be easily forgotten about or overlooked. Just for a small part of this day, make yourself a priority. Type yes if you believe in me and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all for your love and support. Thank you.